Hello everybody, it is KeyDuck5 and today we are playing MLG Rush in Minecraft, but every time my opponent breaks my bed, I remove a keycap off of my keyboard. So if I get a bed broken, I will take off my W keycap, so on and so forth. It was really funny, and let's get into the video. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Do-do-do-do. What is that reach? It's not lag, it's literally reach. Oh, I swear, I do so bad when we're doing recordings. And then right when you get in, right when I hit the recording button, I just took off the keycap. Right when we start recording, you literally go God mode. Ah! Wait, stop. Hold on. W. Stop, alright. A or D? We've literally recorded this for like, how long? Like a long, alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we both have 3. Alright. GG! Alright, hold on.